Now, this comes from the official broadcasting company of Italy. It's called RAI. And the other day I found this article that was quite interesting, talking about nanoplastics. This article describing significant quantities of nanoplastics found in bottled water. And it is quite frightening that nanoplastics can travel into the bloodstream, cells, and brain with potential unknown effects on human health and the ecosystem. And these researchers found that bottled water contains hundreds of thousands of nanoplastics fragments. They come from bottles and caps, and paradoxically, from the filters that are used to purify the water. They're so small that they invent a new microscopic technique to see them. They enter our bodies through inhalation, ingestion, or skin contact, accumulate in organs and trigger inflammatory responses, potentially leading to cell damage and organ dysfunction. Nanoplastic trigger inflammatory responses leading to neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's disease or Parkinson's disease. Unfortunately, no one is safe, not even the fetus. The placenta is filled with micro and nanoplastics. This article was published in 2021, evidence of microplastics in human placenta. Even before we are born, we are contaminated with micro and nanoplastics. The microbes of Bravo degrade plastics. We have more than 400 different strains. In our Bravo products, we have hundreds of different strains, include microbes, also plasmids, and also phages. The microbes eat plastic after all these words. The most important question is, but does it work? Are Bravo products actually able to eliminate all these things? Well, the answer is yes. And it has been published in scientific articles, elimination of toxicants. I encourage you to take a look at this Demeter certification because it's very inspiring. And when you take a look at that, please remember that our Bravo fully belongs to these principles, to these values. The last slide, conclusions. Bravo is uniquely positioned to protect us from the danger posed by micro and nanoplastics. It is an entire microbiome that comprises microbes and their theater of activity. That's important. It's not merely a probiotic. It is endowed with a unique biodiversity with hundreds of strains, phages, and plasmids that degrade and metabolize plastics. Microbes and molecules that bind and eliminate plastic